This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on Binance, allowing you to manage your account settings more effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smoother trading experience. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or open the mobile app, then enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Security to access your security settings. Step 3. Locate automatic restrictions. In the security settings, look for the section labeled Automatic Restrictions. This section outlines the current restrictions in place on your account. Step 4. Disable automatic restrictions. Find the option to disable automatic restrictions. Toggle the switch or click the button to turn off this feature. You may need to confirm your choice through a verification process, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Step 5. Review and save changes. After disabling the restrictions, review any changes made to ensure they align with your preferences. Finally, save your changes before exiting the settings. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on your Binance account, allowing for greater flexibility in your trading activities. Always remember to keep your account secure and monitor any changes you make.